This tutorial will cover checking out to a patron using Koha. I am on the main page of Koha. The main page of Koha will default in the Koha search bar to allow you to either enter a patron card number or partial name here. So, with the patron's card number, you can scan that in or type in the partial name of the patron, and it will bring the patron up on the screen. The left-hand side will have some information about the patron, a small snapshot. The primary screen will be the ability to check out to the patron. This first screen will allow me to just scan that barcode in, and you can see I've scanned in the barcode of the item, and I simply hit checkout. When using a barcode, generally the process of scanning it will enter for you. I can see the title of the book that I checked out here and the due date. There is one more setting during checkout if your library allows it, and that is checkout settings. Clicking that prior to checking out or scanning that barcode will allow you to specify a due date for that item. This will bring up a date picker. So if I wanted to only allow this patron to have it for 2 days, I can put in a due date, and then I would go ahead and scan that barcode in. Again, hitting that checkout as I'm typing it in, and I can again see that my title is at the bottom and it is due on the date I had specified.